cage I'm building in my head, a little room locked down, dark and dead for protection. And you're so vulnerable, laid out beds, and the dogs that stalk around in there, and they struggle, and they damage. And there's a line drawn side, the brain dog walks, pulling legions out with genial calls, and they listen, and they follow. So there's a plan now forming in my brains, full of backed up nerves and hardened veins, and you break it, and you break it. Let's see all the lights blow out and our head explode. Let's see all the lights blow out.